Hey guys, so looks a bit different than my usual videos, but that's because I'm in Canada. Got a stream crossing here. We've got a couple more k's to hike in here, and then we're at the campsite. Whew. I've never hiked in a area like this. It's really cool. Snow and everything. It's gonna be a good time. Stick around, guys. Alright, now that is cool. That is all sap. That's pretty neat. I've never seen that before. Let's keep going. Well guys, we made it. Beautiful lake, all covered in snow out there. Oh man, I've never experienced something like this. There's a toilet and bear hanging thing up there, so I just went and checked it out just before. It's starting to snow. Anyway, let's take you out onto the lake. Woo! Man, that's a beauty. It's pretty cloudy up there, but it is still flipping awesome. Woo! Woo! Bunch of tracks. I don't know what they are, but they're tracks. Yep. I just got this rain cover on. I'll keep the snow off. Oh, that jersey's nice and wet. Got a bit sweaty on the hike in. So yeah, that's just sweat. I got other layers though, so that's good. I need, where is it? My water filter, please. Thank you. Catadine. Just stuff that back in there. I only got a t-shirt on, like I said. I got thermals and everything else in my pack. Got more clothes I know what to do with, so even without that jersey, hopefully I won't be getting cold. And I think my sleep system will do me good as well. Oh, he's snowing. Really snowing. Yesterday was my first time actually out in the snow when it was snowing. I've been to the snow a couple of times, but yeah, yesterday was the first time I'd actually been in it while it was happening, which is kind of cool. Right, that's a bit better. I'll be moving around for a bit longer yet, sorting stuff out, so I'm not going to put heaps of layers on, but I'm going to get some gloves. Not too far from the campsite here, I crossed a little stream coming in. There's bits of water down at the lake, but yeah, it's right at the edges, so I'm going to try to get it from a moving source. Whew. Let's chuck that hood on. Alright, so this is it. Looks pretty clear. And it's running pretty good as well. Oh, that branch over. Get on. Look how clear that water is. I mean, I'd be happy to drink that without even filtering it. Nice, clean, crisp mountain water. Oh, that's nice and cold. Right, that's enough footage of me drinking water and getting brain freeze. I'll take this back, I'll come back and fill it up later. Fill it up again. But good amount of water in there still. Next order of business, I'll get some food out, hang my beer bag, we'll get some food, eat some food, then hang my beer bag, and yeah, then I'll probably get top show set up. But I'm hungry, but peckish I must say. Why am I doing these funky voices? It's not even good. Alright, let's pull out this monstrosity. Here we go. Well, that was funky. This is my food. And toiletries. Man, you can really smell the toothpaste. Alright. There's a nice stump right over there. Right, let's see what we've got for afternoon lunch. It's way past lunchtime. So you got brunch. Do you have like dinner? Lunch? I need more water. Oh, my heels are killing me. Right, just going up to the beer banging place. Beer hanging place. Oh, my heels. Gotta get the shelter set up. And I'm taking these boots off, or at least loosening them. Alright, that's up there. The 2 strings goes up to there to the bag, and there's 2 loops on here. Pull it down, but I just clipped it onto this one over here, so you couldn't use this beer bag. You couldn't use this hanger if I was using this one, because there's no clip to clip it on. So unless I just saw this carabiner here on the tree, but nah, I'm not. That's not coming up. I guess that was to clip on. Time to get the shelter set up. There's string ridge line up around this tree here. Take it out here and use my other hiking pole over here, and chuck the tarp out over here. I've already got it set up in mine, so let's try. That is if we can move log. Oh my god. Oh, there we go. Yes. Whew. Come on, baby. Oh. Now I've got a big hole in the ground. Now I have a snow shovel to shovel out all around my shelter. I was just going to set my sleep system on the snow because it's nice and packed down. So that means I got to change strategies. I could set up over here. I think it's been shot. Just chuck it down on this tree here. Bring a ridge line all the way out to here. Make camp here. I think that's what I'm going to do. Try it at least. I've got my tarp and a side pouch here. Fits in there nicely. It's a DD Hammocks 3x3. Yep, I've got a ridge line and my stakes in there as well. So yeah, easy, quick. Should be pretty quick to set up as well. Ridge line. So on one end, I've got three prusik knots and a bowline. On the prusik knots are just a piece of aluminum arrow shaft. So chuck the bowline around the tree, thread the rest of my rope through it, and that just cinches up onto the tree like that. Now I'm going to run this out here, wrap this around it a few times. And then bring it out and peg it down. Cool. Like so. Stretch it out nice and tight. The middle one isn't actually doing anything. That's right. For some reason, they made this loop in the middle huge. Not quite sure why, but they did. Top shell is set up. It didn't come out exactly as I wanted it, but I think the main problem is the ridgeline's too low, and yeah, so I'm gonna leave it for tonight. It should hold up fine, I think. Yeah, so that'll be tonight's shelter, and I'm gonna try it again tomorrow, but just rejig the whole thing. Tonight, I don't think I will have a hot meal. I think I'll just cold camp it for tonight, and then in the morning cook something up. I'm just not really in the mood for cooking as basic as it is. Morning guys. As you can see, I'm all wrapped up warm. I'm a bit chilly this morning. When I went to sleep last night, perfectly fine, taking off a bunch of layers. I was pretty warm inside my sleeping bag. And then eventually, because I got a bivvy over my sleeping gear, since I got a bivvy over my sleeping gear, got condensation happened. Even though I was breathing outside of it, yeah, it all condensed in my sleeping bag, got all damp. So I got a bit chilly, kept waking up. I put on a layer or two. Yeah, and just didn't sleep as well from there on out. Had to keep waking up and turn around, and yeah, my toes got cold. But that's right, I'm gonna try to dry it out today. The sun's out, which is really nice. I'm just hoping it doesn't rain or anything, snow or anything, but that's what it is. I'm just gonna try to dry it out today, and then tonight I'm gonna leave the side zipper open. I'm gonna zip it up. I'll do it later, but I'll zip it up, and then there's a second zipper, so I can like still leave an air gap, but still have it connected up here, so that I don't end up rolling out of it. If that makes any sense at all. But that's hopefully what we're gonna do tonight, and I'm gonna change the shelter as well. Yeah, I'll probably make just a simple A-frame shelter, just make it a bit taller and stuff. There wasn't a whole lot of room for me to sit up in there. I'm gonna get some breakfast on soon. Just gonna go for a little walk. I'm gonna go see if I can find any more of the campsites. I walked a wee bit down here last night. When I got here, when I first arrived here, and I couldn't find any. But yeah, I'm just gonna walk a bit more today. Alright, so yeah, I'm gonna go for a little hike, just see if I can find any of these campsites, and then as I'm walking back, I'm gonna gather up sticks and stuff for the twig stove. Oh, whew. It's icy there. Alright, I'll watch my step. Alright guys, so gathered some twigs on the way back from my little walk. I did find more campsites. They're just further along than I thought they'd be. But I found at least 4 or 5 more. I think it was 10, but yeah, I stopped walking. I'm pretty hungry, so gonna go get some water. Solo stove fits perfectly in this pot, which is nice. So we'll just take this and go get some water. Put the stove on solid ground. Leave the burner off for now. Yep, cool. Alright, and I've got this mini log fire starter. I just got it from Walmart. I think the packaging's flammable as well. You just light the packaging. But I'm just gonna break some off here. Let's get this puppy lit. water's on. Just over here, I've come and dragged my sleeping system out. I've got the sleeping bag laying out here, trying to dry. It's feeling a bit dry now, but it's pretty damp around here because the zip only goes on the bivy bag. Zip only goes down to here, so it built up around here, and my toes are pretty cold. So yeah, just trying to dry it all out, air it out as well. Always good while the sun's shining. Oh mate, this is really nice. This is really nice. For breakfast today, hot chocolate and oats. I'll make the hot chocolate soon, but I'm gonna get these oats in me. Maple and brown sugar. Instant oatmeal with flax seeds. Flax seeds. That's fancy. Ah. Whew. Alright. Maybe I should have put a glove on to hold the oats. That might have been a smart idea. Alright. Cheers, guys. Oh, that's good. Yes. And got my oats here as well. Oh. Oh. That's actually pretty good. Breakfast is done, and I want to fix my shelter, get it set up properly or better than it was. So I'm gonna get a stick for one end instead of using the hiking pole, because I think a stick will be stronger. I'm just looking on this fallen over tree. Just take all the bark off. This might work. It's not straight, but should be alright. I'm just trying to figure out how tall I want it. I'm gonna cut it about here. Yeah, it's a good height. Cool beans. Alright guys, so I got the tarp shelter set up. A lot better than what it was. Still not perfect, but it's pretty good. And if you just come down here, I should have plenty of room to set up in there. I've just piled these rocks around this pole here, the stick that I sawed, just to give it a bit of support. I don't know if it's going to do much, but it shouldn't really matter anyway. Now around the edges here, the wind is whipping up underneath. So I think what I'm going to do is pile snow along the edges just to stop that wind coming through. We're getting heaps of drips from above. It's not rain or snow or anything, it's just the ice coming down from the trees. So yeah, that's my next plan. And I think this log here, I think I also want to put it right here. Put it right there. And there's something for me to sit on outside. And also, I think I'll lean my pack up against it inside. Didn't even have the camera facing towards me. Lean my pack up against it inside. And yeah, that'll keep the pack just off the ground. More like that over there. So yeah, I get to pile in snow. Bloop! Alright, better get to it. Then it's a bit dirty. Alright, so we got the sides covered, which is good. So hopefully I'll stop any wind from just whipping under. Yeah, so should be a pretty good setup. Hopefully I can sort out the condensation in my bivvy bag for tonight, and then yeah, we'll be sweet. I have an idea for it, like I said. So yeah, hopefully it works. Otherwise, there's not a whole lot I can do, but I'll put on less layers and go to bed, and then sort out. Alright, and then if I get chilly, I can just chuck more on, and yep, no, we'll be good. Right, I want to move this log over to the front of the tent there, or tarp. So might as well do that now. So that's in there. Gotta get the pack and everything in there, and the sleep system. Still got the bivvy hanging out over there. Should be dry enough, hopefully. Home sweet home. Whew. Alrighty. Let's get this sleep system in there and the rest of my junk. Sleeping pad in there. I doubt you'll be able to see that, but you hopefully heard it. Calling to each other. That's cool. I got no idea what kind of bird it is, but that's cool. I think after I've had a bit of lunch, I'm gonna go for a little hike. I want to try find or go over to where the lake ends and the river starts, like where the water starts flowing again. I reckon that would be kind of cool to see. So a pretty simple lunch, just a bit of naan bread and some salami. Naan bread could do with warming up, but it's fine. It's so peaceful. The old bird call like before, and just the dripping of the snow, and that's about it. There's not even hardly any wind, which is nice. Not a fan of the wind. So the lake starts to unfreeze here, and he runs down there somewhere. Oh, it's really nice. You can hear the river. I'll hike a bit more. Gotta get back to the track though. Loads of fallen trees here. I mean, I'm walking on one, but look at these ones. I mean, this one here, I don't even know what's supporting it. It's just leaning on that one down there. Big trees, big trees. Alright, and easy to get back to the track, just follow the footprints. Good thing about snow, it's harder to get lost. This is kind of cool, although those trees are probably going to come down at some point. They're still alive, but like the bottom over here filled up with snow. Pretty neat. Just down there. Found the river. Let's go have a look, see. Don't want to sink in too much. No. Oh yeah. It's kind of cool. It goes from frozen to still to running water. Pretty neat, if you ask me. Oh, this is cool. It's cool. Oh yeah, this is quite neat. Might be starting to rain as well. Yeah, I think it is. Well, good thing all my gear's in the shelter. Undercover. Yeah, it is starting to rain. Might be able to see the drops on the water. Good thing I put my raincoat on. I'll head back soon. But man, this is cool. Oh man, it's really coming down now. Quite a bit of snow happening. Oh, I've just been lying on my bed doing a Sudoku. Gotten pretty chilly. I've got quite a few layers on, but just gone a bit chilly. Just sitting there, just lying there. So, oh man, it's really snowing. Holy jeez. Yeah, even more out here, obviously. Woo. Ah, well, I'm gonna get moving. I might go for a little walk or something. Whoo, gotta knock this chill off. But man, oh, it's beautiful. Well, the snow is, yeah. Checking back in with you guys. I need more water for drinking, so I go fill up my filter. Also gonna grab my pot and go fill that up as well, just so I have water for dinner as well, so I don't have to make a second trip back to the creek. So yeah, let's grab my pot. For dinner I think I'm gonna have noodles, just simple and easy. And yeah, maybe a Pop-Tart for dessert. Man, I love Pop-Tarts. Not healthy for you, but I don't really care when I'm out here. Alright, time to go get some water. When I was on my walk, just warming up, I picked up a couple of pieces of quartz along the way. Don't know if the camera will pick that up, but just using my silky gone boy. Making some sparks. There we go. I hope that picked it up. So yeah, if I need fire by flint and steel, then it's available. I'm getting pretty hungry, guys, so I thought instead of snacking I would just get dinner on. It's about 5:15, but that's right, I don't mind having a bit of an early dinner. So got my supplies out, got my pants on, my rain pants on my rock here, so I can sit without getting a wet bum. We went and collected water before, and earlier on today I collected a bunch of dry twigs and I just put them under this log here to hopefully stay dry. I only want to use half this fire starter because I don't think I need all of it, so I'm just going to try to cut it in half. or drop it in the water. It's another brilliant idea. And I cut myself, great. Cut myself. It's just gotta grab plaster. It's not too bad. Okay, back in action. That was a stupid cut. I shouldn't have been holding it like that, but anyway. Alright. Cool. Let's get some of these twiggies on there. Alright, and on the water goes choice. Noodles are in. Cheers, guys. Maybe I should have done 2 packets. That's right, I got Pop-Tarts as well. Whoa! I knew. Hang on. Oh! Oh! I knew these were spicy noodles, so I didn't put all the flavouring in. But it's still a bit too much. I don't handle spiciest food. I don't mind it, I like it, but not hot. Yeah. Anyway. Still tastes good. I left some twigs over there under the tree, and we've still got a few of these left over from dinner, so we should have plenty for the morning, which is always nice. I don't have to go collect more in the morning, so we'll just leave those all under there, and they'll be ready for us in the morning, hopefully. It's starting to get a bit chilly again. I'm gonna eat these Pop-Tarts now. That's the beer bag hung for tonight. Hopefully I have a bit better sleep tonight. I think I've got my sleep system sorted, hopefully, but we'll see. I'll tell you in the morning. Anyway, I'll catch you in the morning. Cheers.